Hi guys, it's me. I hope that you are doing very, very well. It is 5 o'clock in the morning on the 28th of June, and we got some news a couple days ago that we have to move out of our house that we've been in for 5 years. The owners are selling, and Denver is a very hot market right now, so it came as a complete shock. So we are looking for a new place to live, which is very interesting. I won't say anything negative, but it's been an interesting experience because things are very expensive here, and there are lots of people that like to scam other people, which is not good. But we're going to get through it, and I wanted to do kind of an art journal page just because that just helps me to process my feelings. Our landlords have been very good to us. We don't have anything to complain about, and the owners of the house, they're getting older. They want to sell the house and to kind of liquidate their assets in Colorado. So, and they've been very good. We've had definitely rent that is under market value, so they've been taking it at us a loss, and they could have, raised the rent. So there are things to be grateful for, always. Okay, so I gessoed this page. This is one of my little journals that I make that has watercolor paper, and I have other pages in here. I use these a lot for my art journaling classes, so there's some really cool pages in here. I only have a couple more pages, so I will show you what I'm gonna do. So one thing that I like to do in my journal is just to write out words, and then I have an idea of maybe adding some type of image, and then adding some splatters, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put this in fast motion and let you watch the process. I think that I'm going to start out just by writing just words about beginning again, or about a fresh start, because I think that God is working through this experience, and I think that it's an exciting time. I hate moving but it'll be great. We're gonna have like large sales and get rid of a ton of stuff. I think that we've just been like taking stuff that we really don't need through our lives, so it'll be good to really have some time to really sell things and go through and keep what we want, and to downsize to a smaller place. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. I talked about how I wanted a simpler life, so God is listening to my prayers. So please pray for us, but it'll be okay. So I'm going to start the page. I'm going to quit talking, and I really hope that you enjoy the process, and I will try to have a video for you guys for the next week. We have to be out by July 30th, so it might be hard, but I'm going to do my very, very best to kind of make some bulk videos in advance, so you guys won't have to miss any content. So hopefully it'll be cool, and hopefully it'll be more than art journaling videos, because I can do those very easily and fast. But yeah, so it's cool. Okay, so I'm going to get started and quit talking. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.